Ever found yourself silently scrolling through your phone at a party because you couldn't figure out how to jump into the conversation? You're not alone. Many of us find small talk intimidating, but it's a powerful skill that can open doors in both your personal and professional life. Today, we'll explore how you can turn every awkward silence into an opportunity. Through real-life scenarios, you'll learn how to start conversations effortlessly, keep them flowing, and even make meaningful connections. Are you ready to transform the way you communicate? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of small talk. This is crucial whether you're meeting someone new, mingling at a community event, or simply sharing a moment with friends and family. Knowing how to keep a conversation flowing can make all the difference. Grab your notebook and let's get started with our first conversation example. Imagine you're at a friendly neighborhood barbecue. Mimi, why don't you show us how it's done?
Hey Zae Zae, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm wonderful, thank you. It's such a lovely day, isn't it?
Simple and sweet. Now, let's ramp it up a bit. Imagine you're at a professional networking event. Mimi, ask Zae Zae about her job.
So Zae Zae, what do you do for a living?
I work in graphic design, creating visual concepts that captivate. How about you, Mimi?
I'm a preschool teacher. Every day is an adventure with the little ones. Zae Zae, what brings you to this event today?
I am here to connect with other professionals in my field and learn about new opportunities. How about you?
I'm looking to share ideas and maybe collaborate on some educational projects. It's great to meet like-minded individuals.
Excellent. Finding common ground can make your chat more engaging. Now, picture this. You're at a local community event. Mimi, show us how you would start a chat.
Hi Zae Zae, how's your day been?
Pretty good, thanks. I've been looking forward to this event. What about you?
Same here. I love getting to meet new people and try out the activities. Have you tried the face painting booth yet?
Notice how Mimi used open-ended questions to keep the conversation lively. Fantastic. Moving on, let's explore personal interests, which can add a personal touch to your chats.
Do you have any hobbies that you're passionate about?
I've recently gotten into digital photography. It's amazing to capture special moments. What about you, Zae Zae?
I'm really into woodworking. There's something about shaping wood into something beautiful and functional.
Great job. Now, let's talk about how to turn a conversation towards future aspirations, which can be quite inspiring.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I hope to have advanced in my career and maybe started my own design firm. What are your aspirations?
I'd love to be running my own educational YouTube channel, helping kids learn and grow.
Perfect. Seeing into someone's dreams can deepen connections. See how each question opens up the conversation for deeper interaction? This keeps our chats flowing and interesting. Now, for something fun and a bit quirky.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Definitely the ability to fly. Imagine the views. What about you?
I'd choose time travel. There are so many historical events I'd love to witness.
And just like that, we've woven through a tapestry of topics, from work to hobbies to dreams. Each question helps build a connection and keeps us learning about each other. Today, we've covered a variety of scenarios from professional to personal, demonstrating how to initiate, maintain, and enjoy conversations. Remember, the key to small talk is not just talking, but also listening and responding. It's about sharing experiences and opening up new worlds with each question. Being genuinely interested in the other person, asking open-ended questions, and sharing a bit about yourself too. Vocabulary words. Mingle. Meaning to mix or move among people at a social function. Example: Mimi loves to mingle at community events, where she meets new people and learns interesting things. Networking. Meaning interacting with others to exchange information and develop professional or social contacts. Example: At the networking event, Zae Zae connected with professionals who shared her passion for graphic design. Quirky. Meaning characterized by peculiar or unexpected traits. Example: Mimi asked a quirky question about superpowers, which made everyone laugh and lighten the mood. Aspirations. Meaning a hope or ambition of achieving something. Example: During their chat by the window, Zae Zae shared her aspirations to start her own design firm in 5 years. Captivate. Meaning attract and hold the interest and attention of. Example: Zae Zae's explanation of her graphic design projects captivated Mimi, who admired the creativity involved. Engaging. Meaning charming and attractive, especially of a manner or conversation that holds one's attention. Example: Mimi's engaging storytelling makes every episode on our channel a joy to watch. Don't forget to practice what we've learned today. Try out these questions and see where your conversations lead you. Thanks for joining us today. Share your favorite small talk question in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more conversations with Mama, Mimi, and Zae Zae. See you next time.